Most of this is from an 85-year-old water oak tree, and some of the pieces are pretty big. I'm thinking some woodworkers might find them to be of use. I'll show you the dimensions of some of the larger pieces. This first piece, I'll just measure straight across, 32 to the center line, and then 30 across this side. And then it's 28 this way and 35 this way. And the height is, let's call that 2 feet. I'll call that 3 feet. This one is, I guess, a little bit of an oval shape, I guess. So I'll go across this way and say 39 by, 47. And the height, and it looks like it's at an angle, so it's probably 2 different heights. It's 25, and over here it's 27 and a half. This longer piece is 27 that direction, and I can't quite get the tape measure across this. It looks like it's about the same. Its length is 58 inches. This one is definitely an odd shape. So let's take a look at it real quick. 36 by 40, and then I guess the long side is 28 and the short side something much smaller. This is 41 by 25 by 26. And there's 3 discs that are here. Looks like there's a opportunity for some resin work. They look about the same. These are 31 by 28, and the first one is 11 inches, the next one is 12 inches, and the bottom one looks a little bit thicker, but it also looks a little bit smaller diameter. The smaller diameter pieces are on this side of the pile, and this is where I've started chopping them up into firewood. So what I'm curious about is if any of the larger pieces are suitable for woodworkers. It's obviously a large, heavy piece to move, and I'm wondering if it's a good project to slice into discs or work in some other fashion in order to get a larger single piece of wood.